What's going on, guys? Welcome to my moped garage. On today's episode, we're going to be building the Puch e50. Alright, guys, so first thing I got to do is put this C-clip where it needs to go over here. There you go. Okay, I'm going to put this washer. It's supposed to be with the clutch. That goes right there. Okay, I'm just going to fit this. I don't think I need to put it on right now, but I just want to make sure it goes on. Definitely having some problem putting that on. Oh, there we go. Got it. Okay. Alright, so next up, we got to put the other washer or spacer right here. Over here. Put it right there. Another clip. C-clip, circlip. Put that on. Oh, man. Mine don't reach. Shit. Alright. Change them out to something I could use. Let me see. Hold on a second. Let me move these cases. Okay, that's better. Okay, guys, so this is too tight. I got a lot of resistance on it, so I'm gonna have to buy some shims and shim that out. Alright, guys, so the clutch bell was definitely too tight, so I'm gonna have to order some shims to go in between the clutch bell and stuff so that isn't so tight. Alright, now I have to gap one of these seals. I believe it's this side to 1 millimeter. I'm gonna double check that. Be right back. Alright, guys, so it is 1 millimeter. So I got my feeler gauges, my digital measuring tool. That says 0.99 millimeter. Go around, it's 1 millimeter. So take that. Alright, so I'm gonna take this and just put it right there. Just make sure that's 1 millimeter all the way around. And it is. I don't know if you're supposed to do it to the other side. No one really said, so looks good. Shouldn't hurt nothing. Alright guys, so this is the top of the case, and we're going to put the main gear in. Pretty sure, yes I did, I put the ring in, it's right there, but pretty sure that this ring faces up, what I can do my research and stuff on. Okay, next, I'm gonna put the crank in this way. Make sure that this seal is spaced 1 millimeter. Okay, that's gonna go in. Pretty sure that bearing faces, so C-clip faces up, I'm assuming. Alright guys, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put some RTV around the case. I got red high temp. It'll hold. Little nozzle to make a nice thin little bead. I don't want to go overboard. So let's do that right now. Over here into the case now. Now there's 3 short bolts here, here, and here. And then these middle ones get longer ones. Then there's another long bolt goes back over here. And then short bolt, short bolt, short bolt back here. Another short one. One more short one down there. Can't get it. There we go, got it. Alright, and I'm going to tighten all that up. Alright, got all those snugged up. So I'm not going to torque them until tomorrow. But this would be a good time to take all the RTV like off the sides and stuff, like right here in the cracks and stuff. So take the time, clean it off. Alright guys, so right now I'm actually just wiping the RTV that's in the cracks. See it right there? I'm just trying to get that. Not gonna go crazy, but got it there. I'll get it back there and on the other side of the motor. And I'm especially gonna go in here and wipe it out a little bit more. Oh, it is ported or case matched. So that was the assembly of the main gear and crankshaft in the 70cc build. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.